Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Herne Bay, and just off of the seafront here we're on Bournemouth Drive, taking a look at number 68A. Now this is a beautiful detached family home here, giving you that detached garage and driveway on the left hand side. Really nice low maintenance property overall with this one. Nice easy option to move into straight away and enjoy that seaside location. Easily accessible into the town, across to the seafront, and then over to neighbouring Whitstable and Tankerton. So a wonderful location with this detached family home here today. Coming straight through into the main hallway space, we've got the options to go left or right. We're going to go through and take a look at the kitchen, utility and cloakroom first, before heading out to the side garden, where we're going to find the access point for the garage and through to the driveway at the side. And then we'll go through and take a look at the lounge diner on the other side when we're finished up with that. So coming through the kitchen here, you can see a really nice modern finish throughout. Coming through from the kitchen, you've got a very convenient and really well-sized utility space here as well. Further on from there, we've got a very nice sized downstairs cloakroom, really good and convenient. And then just coming back across and out the side door here, we find ourselves in the side garden space. So this is accessible from the side of the property with the detached garage and also the driveway. So just to come through the gate in a moment, just to show you the layout of the driveway space, then we'll go back indoors, go through to the lounge and then head upstairs and take a look at what we've got there. So coming into the lounge dining space here, you can see a huge amount of light coming through from both sides there. Really nice dual aspect windows, and you've got the French doors leading you out into the garden here as well. A really nice sunny south facing space to enjoy, good and low maintenance as well. But the lounge itself, plenty of room there for the lounge furniture as well as the dining room table. And then from there we'll head back into the hallway and head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. So here we are up on the first floor at number 68A Bournemouth Drive. We're going to head through and take a look at the first of the bedrooms here. A fantastic double master suite here. We've got plenty of room here for the double bed, plenty of space for the wardrobes and further storage, and you've got that gorgeous sea view from the windows there at the front as well. Through to the side, we've also got the access through into the ensuite shower room, and then to finish up the tour on the first floor, we've got another 2 bedrooms and the main family bathroom to take a look at here before heading upstairs even further to take a look at another fantastic double room. So just coming down from the main master suite here, coming back into the hallway, just going across there, we've got 2 bedrooms, both fantastic size. You can see here plenty of room for the bed, lovely amount of light coming through from the window there as well, and plenty of wardrobe space too. And then continuing on the theme here in bedroom number 2, really nice dual aspect room, plenty of light coming through again, and plenty of space in there, not only for the double bed, but for plenty of storage options with the wardrobe and chest of drawers. The main family bathroom itself does come with a loo, sink, bath and shower unit as well. And then continuing upstairs, we've got another double bedroom. So number 68A Bournemouth Drive, fantastically located just off of the seafront here in Herne Bay. A few seconds walk down to the beach. A fantastic 4-bedroom detached family home in a fantastic location in Herne Bay. I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.